Welcome. If you want to set up the face unlock on your HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus, for the first you have to open the settings. Right now just scroll down and tap on the biometrics and the password. Right now use the face recognition option and input your currently logged method. Read the description and right now just tap on the get started. Right now the smartphone is scanning our face. We have to keep it between the 25 and the 45 centimeters between the device and the screen. I mean our face between the smartphone. And as you can see, it might be a little bit problem because I have the camera in front of me, but I'm going to lift the smartphone and scan it properly. Okay, and right now the setup is complete. And we can try how it's works. So let's lock our device. And right now just swipe to unlock because our face was recognized. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!